This is a short explanation of my process testing a prototype I designed to solve a problem. As a family history and genealogy consultant in my church, I'm constantly asking myself, how can I effectively teach the members of our congregation the necessary genealogical skills that will enable them to find joy and success in gathering their family information to such a degree that they create and maintain a regular habit of doing the work? I created a prototype of a website that teaches genealogy research skills. Before I spent a large amount of time polishing this site, I wanted to test it with users to see if it would be a useful tool for them. I was nervous to send out unfinished work, but Jessica Duvernay from usertesting.com says it's important to test early and often, so I told myself it would be okay. I asked 6 church members to test for just one aspect: the overall feel of the website. I needed to know if I was moving in the right direction towards my goal of making it pleasant for others to learn genealogy. I'm going to ask others to test for things like working links and typos later on when I have all of my content there. I made sure to message users of varying ages, backgrounds, and family history research experience so that I could get a variety of perspectives. I sent them an email with a little bit of context, the link to the website, and a few specific questions. I heard back from the testers via email, and they gave really useful feedback. Throughout the process, I learned that testing can be as simple as telling a few testers, here's the goal, here's what I've got so far. Can you tell me if I'm getting close to that goal? It's really that simple, and it's very useful. Go ahead and give it a try.